Do you want to learn how to create a playlist on YouTube, optimize it, and grow even faster with your channel? You will learn everything you need to know in this video. Hello and welcome to the tubics YouTube channel. I'm Jan Fassbender from So Geht YouTube, and first of all, what is a playlist? Well, a playlist is a collection of YouTube videos that play one after another. If one video is finished, the next one starts automatically. Usually playlists are grouped by a common theme. For example, you have multiple tutorial videos on one app, or you might have a set of different music videos from one artist. Playlist can be created by anyone on YouTube with any videos on YouTube. So if you create a playlist, you can use both your own videos but also any other video that is on YouTube. Why would you create a playlist? Well, there are multiple benefits to creating playlists. First of all, you can organize your content and also organize your channel page. More on this later. You can also increase the engagement with your videos. So instead of losing a viewer after one video, you can get them to watch multiple videos. For example, by linking to a playlist from one of your videos. And you can also get more traffic to your channel by using playlists kind of like videos. Before we discuss all of these strategies in detail, let's first of all take a look at how to actually create a playlist. If you want to add a playlist in your YouTube studio, click on Playlists on the left side, and then you will find the button New Playlist in the top right corner. Here you can add a title to your playlist and choose which visibility your playlist should have. Public, then your playlist is publicly visible to anyone that goes on your channel or that searches for the playlist on YouTube. Private, the playlist is only visible to you, and unlisted is that no one can find the playlist unless they have the link. Then they will still be able to see the playlist. So in most cases, you want to select public and click on Create. Another option to add a playlist in the YouTube studio is in a video itself. If you are in the video settings, scroll down a bit to playlists. Here you can add the video to existing playlists or click on new playlist, and here you have the same settings that we already saw. A third option you should know about is under videos. This might be a video of yours or another video of another creator. Click on Save underneath the video, and here you can add the video to an existing playlist or create a new playlist. If you want to add videos to your playlists, you can use the settings in the video settings or underneath the video that we already talked about, or you can open your playlist. Just click on this little Edit in YouTube button to open the playlist on YouTube. Here, click on the three little dots and click on Add Videos. This will open a window where you can search for a video on YouTube just with the regular search function. You can add a video by pasting the URL, or you can choose one of your own videos to add to the playlist. So if we select a video and click on Add Video, this video will automatically be added to the playlist. We can also add multiple videos at once. To do so, go into Content in your YouTube studio and select the videos that you want to add. Now go to Add to Playlist, select the playlist that you want to add the videos to, and click on Save. After you've created your playlist, there are some settings that you should take a look at. Some basic settings and some advanced settings. First of all, you can always edit the title of your playlist. Just click on Edit. You can edit the title as much as you'd like to. Click on Save to save the new title. You can also add a description to your playlist. Just click on Edit Description and put a description in here. This description is very similar to a regular description of a YouTube video, just that is the description for your playlist. If you click on Public here, or whatever it says there, you can still change the setting if your playlist is public, unlisted, or private that we put in before. But then there are a couple of other settings to your playlist. First of all, you can choose the order of the videos in your playlist. To do so, just click and drag, and with this drag and drop functionality, you can choose the order you want your videos to be in. Another way to choose the order is to click on Sort at the top and then click on one of these options, either by the date that the video was added to into the playlist, or the date the video was originally published, or the most popular of your videos, so the one with the most views. If we click on any of these options, the videos will be sorted automatically. If you want to remove a video, for example, here the same video is in the playlist 2 times, which we don't want, of course. So we click on these little dots and then we just go on remove from, and then there's your playlist name. If we click on this, we can remove the video from the playlist. Under these dots, there are some more options. First of all, we can also move the video up or down, and then we can select a playlist thumbnail. Like you see, the top most video, so the first video in the playlist is always the thumbnail. If I change the order, you will see that the first video is still the thumbnail. If we want another video thumbnail to be the thumbnail for the playlist, just click on this option, set as playlist thumbnail, and the thumbnail of this video, no matter the order, will become the new playlist thumbnail. You can find some even more advanced settings under this little menu. If you click on playlist settings, you will find some more settings. First of all, you can allow your playlist to be embedded or not, so be embedded on other websites. This is turned on automatically, and in most cases you want it to still be turned on so that other people can share your playlist. Also, you can add new videos to the top or to the bottom of the playlist. So if you add a video to your playlist, like I showed you before, normally it will go to the bottom of the playlist. But if you enable this option, it will automatically be the new first video of your playlist. Then there are the official series playlists. Every video can only be in one series playlist. This means that this is the official playlist for the video. It can help you to get more suggestions of your own videos next to your videos. It can help you to show the viewer an official order of your videos. But keep in mind, each video can be in multiple playlists, but only in one official series playlist. Okay, so this is how to create and manage your playlists, but how can we get the most out of them? The first tip I have for you is to SEO optimize your playlists. Why? Well, playlists can rank in search like YouTube videos. So like YouTube videos, we can get more views via search if we SEO optimize our playlists. More on general SEO optimization for YouTube videos in this video. How do we optimize playlists for SEO? Well, first of all, before creating a playlist, think about the viewer's intent. What are they actually searching for? Is a playlist reasonable for this type of keyword? Are they willing to watch multiple videos on this same topic? Then a playlist might be reasonable, and think about which kind of playlist would make sense for this keyword. When you have an idea for a playlist that might work, create the playlist and include the keyword in your title and your description of the playlist. But it's even more important to improve the title for your viewer. The title needs to be clicked on, and you don't really have a thumbnail for a playlist. So the title is the key point that needs to tell the viewer why they should click on your playlist. If you want to learn more about how to create engaging titles, click on this video. Another great way to use playlists to your advantage is to organize your YouTube channel with them. To do this, click on Customization in your YouTube studio. Go to the featured sections and click on Add Section. Here you can add a section called Single Playlist. And there you can choose the specific playlist that you want to include in your channel. And now you have a row of exactly these videos with the title of the playlist in your channel. This can make it easier for your viewers to find the content they are looking for. So for example, create a playlist for first-time viewers. Call it something like First Steps to whatever, and then put in the videos that you want first-time viewers to watch. So in our case, for example, it might be a playlist about how to create a YouTube channel and all the steps that are necessary. Of course, you can also create playlists for regular viewers, like themed playlists that showcase the most important themes for your viewers on your channel. If you want to optimize your YouTube channel even further, download our YouTube guide that shows you exactly how to do this. I hope you learned something and you can now use playlists to your advantage and grow your YouTube channel. That's it from me. Bye, your Jan.